Hello everybody, it is Dallas coming to you again from D-Rab's Model Shop. I'm going to give a short little video today on using bare metal foil. Pretty much all it is a company made bare metal foil. Ultra thin, very chromy. For this car, the new cars, I didn't use a lot of chrome. This is probably something more you'd be using in the 60s and 70s because they had chrome on everything. But a little tiny bit, little tiny pieces. I'm going to put it around right in here, right around there, because that car did have a chrome around there. And they also put it on the little door latches down in here. So I'm going to do that. I'll show you how it's done. It's called micro metal foil adhesive, and it'll be backwards to you, but I'll show you again probably. Again, Microscale, it works great. I just put the toothpick in it, I slide it around the outer edges, and it makes the adhesive of the bare metal foil even stickier yet. I'll show you. Nothing super great here, but it does make a big difference, especially like I said on these older cars. Let's get a little tiny bit of it. Then it's my little headset here, because you got to see what you're doing. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you guys might get to see it. Touch it on the edge. All I'm trying to do is make this stickier. That there way, when I put the aluminum foil down, it sticks to this. And then I'm going to use my scalpel to cut away the excess and pull it away. This way, only the stuff that's sticky will stay. Okay. I'm going to put it on the door handles the same way as I just did with this. I doubt very much you can even see what I did there. It's just the little tiny lip that sticks up. Maybe after the metal foil's on, you'll see it. I'm going to do the door handles the same way I just did this. Then you let this stuff dry. So I'm going to put it on, let it dry. It gets tacky. It don't dry right up though. And then I'll show you what I do after that. I will be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, we're back. It's still sticky, it's tacky. You can touch it lightly and feel it's still sticky. And what you do, get out your aluminum foil. You don't need very much to cover that. Put on this again. It's good to see what you're doing. And I did put a brand new scalpel blade in, so it's a good sharp cut. You always want a good sharp cut. You don't have to push. Just there she goes. Like so. Like so. Get underneath it a little bit. It's thin. Okay, there she is. What we're going to do is we're going to push it down, burnish it down. I should probably have the camera over here so you can see it a little bit better. I'll show you when I get done. Use a toothpick that I did not put into the adhesive. Just kind of go around the edges of it, get her down good and tight. You could use a Q-tip for this too if you wanted to. It'd work good too. I've done that before. I just happen to have a toothpick handy. That's pretty much what she's going to be like. Then you got to cut the edges around it and cut on the inside. It'll look like a piece of chrome. I'll do that for you right now. Here and this, so maybe it'll show up a little bit. I don't know. There, that's about the best I can do. Nice and light. let the blade do the work. Let's see what we got. Quite often I start to pull it up and I realize I missed some of it, and I have to go back. And that's another thing why the tweezers are so good. I got to get new tweezers. They're starting to wear out, but they're working for this for now. And I'll hold it up there so you can see how that piece is hanging there. I'm going to try to do all the way around that. Maybe I can even do it with it hanging in the air for you. Yeah, not bad. I'll grab it, get it down here, get that off there. You don't want to stick to it. So far, so good. If it's coming in good or not. Yeah, it looks like it. Now I got to cut on the inside, all the way around the inside of it. So I got to make sure that's all pushed down. And again, let the blade do the work. If I caught that or not, anything, sure. Okay. All I did with that is I just tore it so there was something to grab a hold of. You can probably see it coming up. I can maybe hold it like that. See if I can't just do it freehand here. Little tiny speck there hanging. That's it. What do you think? Gives her that chrome look. Just touch it down a little bit. It doesn't look like much, but you get it in the car, I'll be like, wow, look at that. And I guess I'll go ahead and I'm going to put the stuff down on the other ones and I'll come back and show you that. Okay. I did this right here. I'm gonna do the other one so you can see me doing it. It's not a big deal. It's totally square round cuts, but it'll look pretty good. I already cut a piece, so it's loose-ish. Make sure you make the piece big enough too. That's really important. If it ain't, you'll struggle. It's pretty easy to want to be cheap with the stuff, but don't. You'll wind up wasting a piece, and you'll wind up losing if you do it the hard way. I like to take the blade underneath it too, like this. And quite often that starts to get it to roll. Then I can take the tweezers, grab it, and pull it on up. Okay, that part's done. Get it out of the way so you can maybe see it a little bit. Then all we do is we put her on the door. I like to kind of start at the top. I need to try to pack it down in there too, so that's why I use this toothpick, and I'm going to pack her down in there a little bit. Try to. See how it goes. It actually went down pretty good. Get the edges nice and snug. So you can see all the lines. We'll fold right into it. Okay, there it is. Now we're going to take the blade, cut around the section so we can get the excess out of our way. One more cut. Okay, pack her back down again. Then I'm going to clean up that inside piece a little bit. I only take a second or two here. Make her look clean. Not bad, not bad at all. That is her. That's, like I said, it's a newer car, new model. It's a 2011. So there's not a lot of aluminum on these things, or I shouldn't say chrome, not aluminum, but a chrome. When I build like the ones from the 60s, 70s, there's a lot of chrome. So that's pretty much what I have for this episode right now. It was short, it was quick. I just happened to have a little bit of spare time, so let's do this and I'll try to get it out. Remember, if you like the video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, or if you know of anybody you think might like this video, please feel free, share it with them. I guess until next time, thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.